Imagine waking up in a world where diseases are cured before you even feel sick, where AI knows what you need before you do, and where humans and machines merge into something entirely new. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's happening faster than you think. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might just question everything you thought you knew about the future. Point 1. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AI today is like a really smart intern, great at one job, but completely lost outside its comfort zone. Enter Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, which could think, learn, and adapt just like a human, but way faster. Imagine an AI that can design new medicines, solve climate change, or even, gulp, replace your job overnight. Big names like Elon Musk and OpenAI are already working on it, and some experts predict we could see AGI within the next decade. The good news? It could solve problems we haven't even dreamed of yet. The bad news? Well, have you seen Terminator? But while AGI might change how we think, this next technology could change what we are. Point 2. Brain-computer interfaces. What if you could send a text just by thinking? Companies like Neuralink are developing brain-computer interfaces that could let you control devices with your mind. Sounds awesome, right? Until you realize it also means someone, somewhere, could hack your thoughts. In the near future, these devices could help paralyzed people walk again, enhance memory, or even upload your consciousness. But here's the million-dollar question. If your brain is backed up to the cloud, are you still you? Speaking of losing control, let's talk about something even more mind-blowing. Literally. Point 3. Quantum computing. Today's computers are like bicycles. Quantum computers, they're warp-speed spaceships. These machines process information in ways we can barely understand, solving problems in seconds that would take normal computers millions of years. Sounds amazing, right? Well, there's a catch. Quantum computing could also crack every encryption system we use today. That means bank accounts, private messages, even government secrets, wide open. If that doesn't make you a little nervous, I don't know what will. But while quantum computers might break security, our next technology could rebuild the world itself. Literally. Point 4. Molecular nanotechnology. What if we could create anything out of thin air? Molecular nanotechnology could let us assemble materials atom by atom, meaning instant repairs, self-cleaning clothes, and even programmable matter. Sounds like magic, until you realize it could also mean self-replicating nanobots that, if left unchecked, could consume the entire planet. Yes, this is a real theory. It's called the gray goo scenario. The upside? It could eliminate waste, end world hunger, and give us superhuman abilities. The downside? Well, let's just hope we don't accidentally delete the planet. And if that wasn't enough, wait until you hear about the technology that could make death optional. Point 5. Longevity and bioengineering. What if the first person to live to 200 years old is already alive today? Scientists are developing anti-aging treatments that could extend human life dramatically. Think genetic reprogramming, organ regeneration, even young blood transfusions. Yes, that's a thing. On one hand, it could mean a future where aging is optional. On the other, well, what happens when only the rich can afford to live forever? And if no one dies, how do we make room for new generations? The future is coming faster than we think. Some of these technologies could solve our greatest problems. Others could create new ones we haven't even imagined. The question is, are we ready? If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe. And let me know in the comments, which of these technologies excites you the most? Or which one terrifies you? Because one thing's for sure, the future isn't waiting for us to catch up.